Wish you had more time for yourself and less time cleaning? Let us handle the mess. At Big Island Klean, we know that life in Hawaii should be about spending time with loved ones, not scrubbing floors. That's why our team is dedicated to making your home spotless, sanitized, and welcoming every single visit. We're licensed, insured, and BBB accredited with an A+ rating, so you can trust us to treat your space with the care and respect it deserves. From deep cleaning to vacation rentals, we handle it all. No job too big or too small. We're proud locals who understand what island living means. So whether it's volcanic dust or sandy feet, we've got your home covered. Ready for a worry-free clean? Call Big Island Klean at 808-657-7757 and experience the comfort of a truly clean home. Mahalo for trusting us with your space.